beautiful blue eyes and long, luscious blonde hair. Everyone was fond of her, but her granny loved her best of all and made her a beautiful red cape and hood. This was all the little girl would ever wear, so everyone began calling her Little Red Riding Hood. One day, Little Red Riding Hood's mother told her to take a basket of goodies to her granny, who lived on the other side of the forest. Red Riding Hood was told to be very careful in the woods because a big, bad wolf had been seen lurking there. Red Riding Hood gathers her basket of goodies and begins her journey through the woods.
It's close to midnight and something is lurking in the dark. Under the moonlight you see a sight that almost stops your heart. You try to scream, but it takes the sound before you make it. Or to run, but realize you're paralyzed. You hear something in the bushes and realize there's nowhere left to run. You feel the cold and the wind. You wonder if you'll ever see the sun. You'll close your eyes and hope that it's just your imagination. But all the while, you hear the wolf creeping up behind.
Oh my Lord.